So now we are going to talk about chloroplasts, which are just found in plants. ठीक हो गया? So it is a chloroplast is just like a factory which contains machinery that is necessary for the process of photosynthesis. हम लोगों को पता है कि sunlight is a key element जिसके बगैर photosynthesis नहीं हो सकता. तो आपके chloroplasts ऐसे leaves के cells में इकट्ठे हुए हुए होंगे जहाँ पे आपका जो plant है that is most likely to be या most excessively exposed to direct sunlight. And they are present only in the cells of plants and green algae. And a chloroplast is the subclassification of a certain type of cell called a plastid. And chloroplasts are involved in photosynthesis. So let's go over the structure of a chloroplast, right? So you have a double membrane, जिसकी outer membrane होती है, which is a semi-porous membrane, जो कि सिर्फ small molecules या ions को allow करती है to pass through it, and it is not permeable to larger molecules like proteins. फिर आपके बीच में एक intermembrane space आ जाती है, that is a thin space between the outer and inner membrane of the chloroplast. And lastly, you have the inner membrane, which regulates the movement of materials across the chloroplast. It also synthesizes fatty acids, lipids, and carotenoids. A point to note is that there is a third extensively folded internal membrane which has closed discs known as thylakoids. ठीक है ना? और इस membrane का नाम है the thylakoid membrane. ठीक हो गया? अगर इन्हीं thylakoids को आप stack कर दोगे तो they will be called a granum, plural grana. And thylakoids are provided with chlorophyll molecules which capture light energy from the sun, जैसे हमने last slide में बात की थी. So now you have your stroma, जो कि आपके inner membrane के अंदर present होता है, मतलब basically inside the inner membrane, and it contains all the relevant proteins that are necessary for the functioning of a chloroplast. The DNA, ribosomes, and thylakoid system, starch granules, and many proteins float around in the stroma. Basically, everything that is essential for its function. It is the site where the dark reaction of photosynthesis takes place. Then you have the thylakoid system, which is suspended in the stroma, and the light reaction takes place over here. And you have protein complexes called the photosystem 1 and photosystem 2, which are embedded in the membrane